Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru. Welcome all of you today on 9th November 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. Friends, if you remember in our yesterday episode, I have strongly put my view that I am not expecting major downfall in Nifty and Bank Nifty especially, and I am expecting that the overall sentiment of the market to remain positive for next few trading days, and exactly things have been seen in the yesterday's market. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty were up, and in fact Nifty was significantly up and crossed the level of 18,000 yesterday. And not only it crossed the level of 18,000 but also closed at the above 18,050. So I hope you liked our analysis. And if we see for the today's market, let us first see the global sentiments and other global markets. Yesterday the US markets closed and US markets made new all-time highs, and especially the infrastructure stocks were booming in the American markets because the Joe Biden, that is the president of United States, is about to sign the check for the infrastructure development, and that will impact the infrastructure companies of US. But if we see the Asian markets on the today's morning, then the Asian markets were mixed. And also if we see the FIs and DIs data for the yesterday's session, then we can see that the FIs again were net seller by around 900 crores. But yesterday the DIs bought by around 1900 crores in cash markets. And if we see the FIs data from past few months, then we can see that if we see the monthly data, then we can see that the FIs are continuously selling in Indian markets apart and except the September month. And in September month also the FIs were net buyers only by 900 crores compared to more than 25,000 of selling in October month. In August they sold more than 2500 crores, in July around 23,000 crores, and on the contrary the DIs are continuously buying from past many months, due to which the Indian markets are continuously showing new highs. So conclusively we can say that the Indian markets are booming majorly because of the retail investor as well as because of the domestic institutional investors, as the FIs have not started buying aggressively in the Indian markets. If we see the last 6 months data, only in September month FIs were net buyers, and they were also only by 900 crores. Therefore we need not to worry much about the FIs selling especially for the short term. And if we see the indices, that the Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are also showing strength and they haven't been fall drastically in spite of this amount of FIs selling. Although the market is showing some volatility and there is a strong resistance at the level of 18,200 according to the options data for the short term perspective in Nifty. So for the next few days the market is expected to be volatile, but the overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive. Also you can consider stocks specific trades. You can consider Hindustan Copper, Muthoot Finance, these stocks we have recommended in our yesterday's episode also, and they are showing good return. Also you can consider IEX, that is Indian Electronic Exchange. It is also looking good for next few trading days, so you can consider the IEX also. And that's all for the today's episode. If you haven't subscribed our channel, you can subscribe it so that you can get timely notification whenever we upload new episode. And that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.